Best upscale settings for Topaz Video AI. This is the exact version I'm using right now in case you're wondering. So first off, click on enhancement. The output resolution for my specific video is set at 480p. I can upscale it to 1080p. And if I'm working with a vertical TikTok video, I can choose custom resolution and set it to 1080 by 1920. Set the AI model to proteus for all around best results. Video type, set it to progressive. Head down a bit and set the recover detail setting to 100. Scroll down and set the advanced tuning to manual. And now just copy my settings. Fix compression to 100, improve detail to 45, sharpen to 75, reduce noise to 25, de-halo to 5, and the anti-deblur to 100. I'll zoom this a little bit so you guys can pause and come back to this exact frame every time you upscale a video. Okay, now that's not all. When you click on export, make sure the codec is set to ProRes for the best rendered quality, profile 422HQ, and the container, which is the video file, should be set to MOV by default. However, if you figure out that the exported video file is too large for you, you can change the codec to H264 and the container to MP4, and that should compress the file a bit and make it less large. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial.